Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be installing this little accessory rack here in the bathroom so that we can put little things that we need in here. Store extra soaps, little bottles and stuff like that. The things that you'll need to hang this is literally a 10-15 minute job. You get your rack. Your rack has your little screw accessory hanging holes that attach to it. You will need to drill a hole in the wall and set your little pegs in your wall that you screw your screws in. That comes in a little kit like you see here. I have a little drill. I'm going to use the 3/16 drill bit. That should be large enough to drive these pegs in there with a little hammer. That's the only hammer I can find right now, but you want to use a small finishing nail hammer just to tap these plastic things into the hole that you drill. And then of course it is good if you have a level. Doesn't have to be expensive, just a level. Easiest to hold it at the height that you want it and put your level on there. Make sure your float is floating even in your level. Take an ink pen and mark the holes in the little supporting brackets. I've already clipped the brackets on there, all 4 positions. Once you mark it with your ink pen or marker, just tap it in the hole. Then you bring it aside and drill the holes where you've put the marks. There's a little slide in your brackets there, about 1 inch either way. So I shoot for the middle of the bracket, drill my holes, drive the post in, and then it's normally easier to screw those things up there, and that will allow it to handle the weight. This thing will probably hold 40 pounds with this anchors in the wall like that. So let me go ahead and drill the other 2 holes where I have that mark there and that mark there, and drive those in there, put this up there and screw it in. To prevent marking the wall like that with a dirty hammer, you want to put a piece of tape or something on the hammer head so that it doesn't mark the wall. I'm going to clean that off with some detergent real quick and then set this up there and screw it in. You want the hole about the size of those plastic pegs. And there it is. Quick and easy, nice and level. I have it centered on that wall between this towel rack and that door. Put any height you want it or need it. That's where I decided to put ours. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.